Good afternoon, everyone. This is Matt over at MilestoneCapitalGrowthPortfolio.com. Today is February 3rd, and it's Wednesday. Outstanding day today. It was crazy, absolutely bonkers. But that's what happens when OPEC agrees to have a meeting. Who knows how the meeting is going to go, but we're not going to worry about that. We're going to play what's going on. And they took it right down to a beautiful technical area here where we had all these bottoms in place, and it just sat there. And then all of a sudden, out of nowhere, amazingly, there was news. Yes, right off this triple bottom, made a triple bottom, and there was news. Can't beat that. I don't know who called who, but I appreciate when they do that because that really turned my portfolio into something interesting. So, great job with that. But I do expect the same thing to take place as normal. Always does the same thing. Whether it's down or up, it's going to be gapping one way or another tomorrow, that's for sure. This candle is beautiful for the upside. Understand your stow is getting ready here. Your relative strength index is at 47. Your upper Bollinger Band is really close now. It's sitting here at 196.70, okay? That's where that is, 196.70. So we could hit that upper Bollinger Band. We're going to have some resistance right here, 193.47 if we get there. Um, but we are coming into a pinch to see what happens. Just want to let you know one thing that's really important. Okay, if we drop this down to the hourly, tomorrow, if we do gap up and we get this gap right here at 192.77, understand our hourly RSI is going to be very high, and you know what that means. When it gets high, it's going to need a reset. Okay, it did break this short-term aggressive downtrend line, and that's when we rocked. Did hold the middle Bollinger Band on the daily and on the hourly, so I do expect a move to the upside, but your Bollinger Band is right around here at 194. I would like to see this gap up tomorrow and close this and then sell off again like it normally does. It's only 140 points, so that would be outstanding. But SPY looks good for that move. One that had some good earnings, Gilead. They had some fantastic earnings actually, and they did really well today. Let's switch this over to the daily, show you how the daily is panning out. So the daily looks really good. You're getting ready to cross. Nice volume coming into this 24 million. Definitely an increase of volume. Relative strength index coming off the 30. This is going to be a play-by-play. It didn't gap up and explode like most things do and then sell off. This is just kind of gradual and sitting there. A couple things we want to be aware of. This is the downtrend line. There's going to be a lot of resistance right here for Gilead. We did close this gap today, and that's where we took some of our profits off the table at that gap. But it's still held pretty strong, and I think it's going to test this here, which is going to be probably tomorrow's candle. It's going to be 88.64 in that area. So that's the area you want to be careful of. That if it does not break this on day two, then it's probably going to pull back down again. If it does break it, then look for a nice gradual move to the upside. So we'll have to keep an eye on that. Your stow is crossing nice and your volume is nice. So we just have this one little pesky trend line that has to be dealt with before she really gets rolling. But that's going to be a little bit of aggravation for us. I can pretty much tell you that, especially if the market comes in at the high at the same time. All right. Remember, we offer a new service now that you can follow my trades on WhatsApp. Okay, right now for the first 3 days of this week, we're a little over 400%. We're about 467% in gains. All the trades, entries, exits, everything is posted to you, technical reasons, and so on and so forth. So everything you get right to your phone. You won't miss another trade. So we have 3 days into the market so far for this week since we started the service, and we're a little over 400%. And if all goes well, it's going to get even better. All right. So if you want to do that, go to the Join Us page on MilestoneCapitalGrowthPortfolio.com, and it's the first option, and it's only $250 a month. Can't beat it. But you'll get all my trades sent directly to you, so you'll be able to follow my option trades and stock. We do also put out some stock buys, but a lot of options as well. So again, we're doing really well with that, and we look forward to everybody joining that. You don't have to be a member of the website. Okay, all you have to do is have WhatsApp, and then just click that link and purchase that membership, which isn't really a membership. It's just allowing you to be part of that. So, all right, this is Matt. We'll see you in a live chat tomorrow. Have yourself a fantastic afternoon.